I'm Johnny, Head of Revenue Operations at ComplyAdvantage. ComplyAdvantage is a financial crime scaler. We're really fortunate to be backed by some amazing investors. They see what we see, which is huge growth potential in the marketplace. So how do we deal with the challenge of scale? That's what really keeps me up at night. Well, from a revenue operations perspective, it's really understanding the technologies that are being used and the different processes that interlink them. Over the last year, Gong has been instrumental in allowing us to reduce our ramp time. Previously, we were looking at 3 to 6 months for an account executive or business development rep to get fully ramped. Now with Gong forming the backbone of our onboarding process from week 1, we've seen a 50% drop in that ramp time. So now, within 2 to 3 months, our account executives and business development reps are fully ramped and can get on with selling. We've seen use of Gong increase dramatically across the business, around 20% growth over the last year alone. Where Gong was primarily used to support the sales team, Gong is now in use across a whole range of functions within the business. Marketing, indirect and direct sales, the customer organization, account management, and other areas like product. We're now seeing Gong requested for every new starter that joins the business, and so we can expect that growth to increase in the years to come. Gong has been instrumental in allowing us to track new initiatives, in particular the adoption of Medico across our prospect sales calls, for us to get deeper qualification across our customer conversations. How do we ensure that we're getting an ROI on that investment? Well, the answer was Gong. We've now moved on to look at meeting readiness and understand how we can make the first call as impactful as possible. My favorite feature about Gong are the trackers. Each morning, I get an email of the top Gong calls to look into, and we also have the Gong trackers feeding various Slack channels. So for me, being able to understand and gather this insight at scale in the way that I want to consume it, the trackers, honestly, they power my day. The moment I realized that Gong was working was when Gong was requested by other departments outside of the sales team. We had already done a lot of work at putting Gong at the heart of our enablement strategy. Staying close to the conversation was something that all teams could benefit from, and we had the right partner to deliver it. Gong are a category maker and an innovator, a fantastic platform, a fantastic tool, and a fantastic partner. I can't recommend it highly enough. Gong is truly transformative.